What's up, guys? On today's video I'm going to be working on a Cadillac CTS. I've done a bunch of door skin videos, so I kind of time-lapsed this whole thing. I basically just wanted to show you guys one of my door skinning tools, one of my many tools that I have. But I began by removing the door skin itself off of the front door and the rear door. Once I got those off and I got my new panel all prepped and situated, I went ahead and got my door skinning tool. I don't even know what this is called, but it's got like some duck lips, and all they do is they close and they roll the flange together without damaging the back. And I just roll it along the edge of the panel and it starts closing it up for me instead of me having to use my hammer and dolly. The key to it is just basically folding the corners a little bit before you actually get going. Once you do, the machine pretty much does all the work for you. And it's like I said, my last video was a door skin video, so I didn't show how I prepped and cleaned it and did all that good stuff, because you guys have, if you go to my older videos, I have a bunch of door skin videos where you guys can see and kind of look at what I'm talking about. But it's like I said, all I'm doing is just rolling my door skinning tool, folding the new skin onto the door shell itself, and going from there. Once I was done on this side, I was just filling the underside to see how it felt. And it pretty much does a damage-free installation if used properly. And one thing I would recommend is never to go over a body line, because then you will mess it up. This thing is just designed to go like on a straight surface. It'll even do a curved surface, because back here is kind of curved, and it'll work that without damaging it. But if you go over a body line or something like that, you're gonna mess the panel up. And the key is just to keep it straight, and it won't gouge your new door skin. And whatever I can't get or access to with that tool, like a body line or a super round edge, then I go ahead and just hammer and dolly it. And these door skins tend to have 2 spot welds at the top, and all I did was just punch 2 holes, one on the front, one in the back, and give it a nice plug weld, and we're good to go. And this was before the door skin installation. You can see how the doors were warped and how I still have to work my quarter panel back into shape. And that's what we're going to get a look at now. So what I started off by doing was basically cleaning up my panel, my surface where I'm going to be working. All I got was my grinder and my purple wheel, and sanded it down to bare metal. Then I need to recreate my body line, so I went ahead and got my body line tool, and I marked where the body line is supposed to be at, and that's where I'm going to start off first. Once I did that, I tried using the wiggle wire, but I don't think I did it right. I wanted to go ahead and roll the quarter panel back out, and as you're going to see, that was a fail. So after I got it on, I went ahead and tested it. I got my clamp that comes along with all this equipment, and I just picked up my slide hammer and gave it a quick nudge. So then I decided to weld a plate on the dog leg and walk it out. All I'm doing is tacking the plate and the quarter panel together. Then it was time to start pulling the damage out. You can see how it lines up the quarter panel with the door. Then I cut the plate and re-weld it and do the same thing at the bottom because the bottom is pushed in a lot. Once I pulled it out, I go ahead and start actually working my quarter panel or dog leg, whatever you want to call it. I start off by using the body line, starting at the body line and working everything else around it. But this is pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys around for more.